In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send invoices on Stripe. We'll walk through the process from inside your Stripe dashboard, so make sure you're logged into your Stripe account before you start. Once you're signed in, head over to your main dashboard. This is your home base where you can see an overview of your payments, customers, and recent activity. To create a new invoice, look towards the top right corner of the dashboard. You'll see a plus icon there. Go ahead and click on that plus icon. This opens up a small menu of different things you can create in Stripe. From that menu, choose the option labeled Invoice. Click on Invoice, and Stripe will take you to a new invoice creation page. This is where you'll set up all the details that your customer will see. First, you need to choose who you're invoicing. Click into the customer field near the top of the page. You'll see a list of existing customers from your Stripe account. Select the correct customer from this list. If the customer isn't there yet, you can create a new customer in your Stripe dashboard separately and then come back to the screen to select them. Next, decide what currency you want this invoice to be in. You'll find a currency dropdown on the page. Click on that dropdown and choose the currency that matches what you've agreed with your customer. It's important to pick the right one, especially if you work with international clients. Now it's time to add what you're charging for. Click into the item field to add your line item or items. For each line item, you can specify a name or description, a quantity, and a price. Take your time here and make sure the descriptions are clear and the amounts are correct. If you need to bill for multiple services or products, add each as its own line item so everything is easy to understand. Below or around the line items, you'll see additional fields you can fill in if you'd like. This can include notes to the customer, payment terms, or extra details that help explain the invoice. Use this space to add any helpful context, such as due dates or reference information. When you're happy with everything you've entered, click on Review Invoice. This lets you see a preview of what your customer will receive. Carefully check the customer details, currency, line items, totals, and any notes. If everything looks correct, click on Finalize and Send. Keep in mind that your Stripe account must be verified to actually send the invoice. So if you see any warnings about verification, complete that first. Once finalized, Stripe will send the invoice to your customer and you're done.